ninjas, so today I'm going to transform my gray faded lavender hair to a pastel lavender color. I colored it lavender on top of my gray, and this video it was just faded out, so I want to show you how I put on the lavender color. So the products that I'm going to use is from Arctic Fox. This one is in Purple Rain. I'm using the diluter, and I'm also using Fenola's conditioner, but you can use any sort of conditioner for this. Make sure you put on gloves, and first I squeeze in a lot of the conditioner and a little bit of the diluter, and it just makes the purple a little bit more pastel. Then add a couple drops of Purple Rain and mix. You want to separate your hair into sections. I separated top and bottom section and tie my bottom section to work with the top section first for a lighter color on top, and then you want to just go ahead and paint the color on. After I finish with the top section, I mix in more purple into the dye and color onto my bottom section for a darker color underneath. Then once you're all done, here I tied them up into buns separately and put a hair cap on. Then I go ahead and wait about 30 minutes or so before washing it out. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and oh my gosh, my hair is getting so long now. Leave a comment below on if I should cut it. I'm thinking about cutting it in January. That's a ways from now. Of course, your hair has to be light enough to do it beforehand, so if you want to check out my other hair tutorials on how I lighten hair and how I get gray hair, etc., then I'll link them down below, and then I'll also put a couple on the cards. I think it's here. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, and then I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye bye.